Managing group membership can be a time-consuming task, especially if you must modify the membership of groups on workstations or servers distributed throughout the enterprise. For example, you might need to add a user or global group to the local administrators group on client computers, or add a global group to the backup operators group on servers. Group policy provides a setting called restricted groups that enables you to control the membership of local groups on domain-joined computers. This setting also enables you to control the membership of ADDS groups by configuring a GPO and assigning that GPO to the OU holding those computer accounts. You can find the restricted groups setting in the computer configuration policy under Windows Settings, and then under Security Settings. It contains no groups by default. Note, to configure membership in ADDS groups, you must assign the GPO to the OU that holds the domain controller's computer accounts. You can also configure group nesting by using the restricted groups setting. For example, you could use restricted groups to nest global groups into universal groups. All the rules governing group nesting still apply when using restricted groups. Note, the restricted groups setting is only available in domain-level group policies. It does not exist in local group policies on Windows client and server operating systems. Removal of non-designated members. One of the benefits of restricted groups is that it will also remove any user or group from the targeted group if they are not on the list of users or groups that the setting assigns. This is useful for controlling the membership of high-level administrative groups, such as enterprise admins, domain admins, and local administrators groups on servers and client computers. If you manually add users to a controlled group, the restricted groups setting will remove them the next time group policy refreshes. Note, the only exception to this rule is that the local default administrator account can never be removed from the local administrators group. Policy removal. If the group policy object that you used to configure the restricted group membership is unlinked from the container holding the computer accounts, or if you delete the restricted group entry from the GPO, then the group memberships that it assigned are not removed. You must modify those group memberships manually.